Welcome to this fun project. It's gonna turn out great, and this is gonna happen to a lot of flippers and wholesalers. I got thirsty for deals. I wanna hit a certain number of deals every month, and it's like 8 or 9 deals. We were at 7. I got a call on this house in Carver. Carver's a really nice area. The guy's like, I want $270 for this house. I know it's worth $500, and I'm thinking, all right, this is probably a good deal. Let's go check it out. This guy's like, you're not getting in the house. It's gotta be sight unseen. So red flags are going off in the back of my head, but also the thirst of like, dude, you need 9 deals this month is going off too. I'm like, all right, Zach, take a drive-by. It's in the winter, right? So you see there's tires and mattresses and broken windows and all this shit, right? There's snow everywhere. Everything's kind of hidden. It actually looks kind of cool. Zach takes some photos. I'm like, dude, even if this thing needs $150, worst case scenario, if it needs $150, we're good. Lock it up, dude. Let's lock it up. I put all the red flags down. I close on the deal. And supposedly there are tenants who are month to month, right? So month to month tenants, you can get them out pretty quick. Truly just the roughest tenants I've ever met. And I call them and I'm talking to them, hey, I'm a flipper. I just bought the property. I know you have no idea that I bought it, but I just bought it. We're gonna flip this thing, and I know you're month to month, so we're gonna have to work out an agreement to get you out of here. I'm on a lease agreement till 2025. I'm like, what? Yeah, we're on leases till 2025. We have the lease. So now I get to scramble to figure out how am I gonna get these people out of here. So I come see the property. It is the worst property I've ever seen. It probably needs 200 grand for a rehab. So you can't get too excited about these deals. Don't talk yourself into a deal. So luckily I was able to do some negotiations, which was pretty challenging. I get the tenants out. I get my clean out guy to clean this out. It's like 6 dumpsters. You saw the mattresses, the propane tanks, the tires. Like half of the house is falling off in the back. I'm walking around the property once everyone's out, just trying to like come to grips with what I've done. And there's a shed in the back. I knock on the shed because I'm just like, what the fuck is the shed? Everyone's supposed to be out of here. Like that was the agreement. And this drug addict pops out like bananas, dude. Like who knows what kind of meth, crack, speed, like whoa, like he was like a cartoon character. And he's freaking out, oh, I didn't know, like whatever. Lined up behind him, just 5-gallon buckets of human feces. All across the back fence. Bucket of shit everywhere, right? I've never seen anything like this. But I'm next to a nice junkyard, right? I'm very happy that I bought the property next to the junkyard. For whatever reason, the owner of this yard is boys with tenants. They love each other. I don't know why. It's weird. It's like some Buffalo Bill weird stuff going on over here. So what they did is they moved into a trailer on the lot over. The crackhead still lives in the shed, which is just like an inch off my property line. So now I got this like wicked distressed property. The crazy tenants are over there. Crackhead's in the shed, probably fast asleep right now if I had to guess. And now there's a random truck on the property that I didn't know about. But this is the cool thing. What do I do to salvage this? Do I have a fire sale and lose 150 grand right away? Because I bought it for 275. I was like, maybe I can sell it fast. Let me just get rid of this thing. I listed it for 199. My highest offer I think I got was 120. I bought it for 270. The highest offer I got was 120. So immediately I just lost 150 grand by buying this thing. Worst nightmare for a flipper. But now I'm like, okay, let's go extreme ownership. What can I learn? How can I actually turn this to be like an awesome situation? If I can deal with the worst tenants, like the Hills of Eyes, you know, drug addicts on the property, terrible situations that I have to like problem solve and really critically think, it's gonna level me up in like the video game of flipping. I need to beat this boss right now. Whatever your video game is, this is my boss. And I gotta beat this thing to level up.